In this video, I'm going to share with you how building your business is like baking a cake. So how is building your business like baking a cake? Well, let's think about a Victoria sponge. A Victoria sponge is two pieces of sponge and a jam and cream in the middle. The top slice of the sponge is your family. You and your family and what you want to achieve in life. The bottom sponge, on which this is all built, is your business. But the bit in the middle, the really great bit, the jam and the cream, is you. You, the business owner, me. And ultimately, the ability to bring those two pieces of sponge together is dependent on the jam and the cream in the middle. The importance of the jam and the cream, or the filling, that is what brings the two pieces of sponge together. And in a business context, us as the business owner, us as the filling, the jam and the cream, bringing our families and businesses together makes the Victoria sponge. However, get it wrong and don't bring those two pieces of sponge together effectively, and the jam and the cream get squashed. And that's what happens in life. Bringing our business and family together in a great way makes a great Victoria sponge. But getting it wrong causes a mess. And what does getting it wrong look like? Disconnect. Family that doesn't see you. Business owner who's stuck in the business trying to make the business work. Stretched across from his family, unable to connect the two. A mess. Spread too thin. Dripping over the sides and not connecting enough with the family. And the opposite, what does good look like? Have you seen what a great Victoria sponge looks like? Perfection. Family and business, top slice and bottom slice, perfectly aligned. The cream and the jam, perfectly mixed. And just the right amount of balance between the two to give a really great sweet taste. And as business owners, when we are able to bring our families and businesses together, life is sweet. And my top tip, it starts with us as the business owner, the filling, the jam, the cream, and how we apply the right amount of jam and cream to bring the two pieces of sponge together. And it starts with looking at us and how we want to engage with our families and how we want to engage with our business. Who are we at our best? Who are we as that sweet center that makes family and business come together? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the comments below.